We've got another mix going. Right up in that corner there. Good. Thanks, man. Coming together, aren't it? Good. How long have you been doing this business? Since the 17. You done any real big jobs? Yes, yeah, used to do, in the 80s, used to do a lot of commercial work. Yeah, sort of throwing in all office walls, houses, new houses. Used to do housing commission houses, flats in the 70s. And enjoy this the best, making the old stuff good. Yeah. Restoring, repairing. It's more challenging.
Yeah.
Than just throwing new stuff around all that.
Yeah. That's the easy job, I suppose.
Oh, it's hard enough, but
yeah, but
it's hard
I mean
in your mind, that new stuff, because you're just like a little cog in a big wheel.
Yeah.
There's no challenge, you just get used to it.
This is different all the time.
Oh, you got to, yeah, that's right, you got to think of each job different, you know, it's good fun.
As long as you take it as fun, though, it's good.
Yeah, that's right.
When you don't like what you're doing, well, you're in a lot of trouble.
That's right.
I had a stage where I was working at ICI.
Yeah.
And I was working. I had to work with this bloke, and I couldn't stand him. He used to give me the bloody shit. He was real smart, you know, knew everything. And everybody hated him, and I had to bloody work with him. And one day I went up to my boss. I said, "You can fire me if you like." I said, "I'm not working with this guy. I won't tell you what I called him.
Yeah.
I'm not working with this arsehole anymore." And anyway, my boss said, "Right, he said, yeah, I've heard you're a bit hard to get on with."
Yeah.
And so he sort of transferred me.
Right.
And I found out a couple of months later that bloke got the arse. From ICI. You had to be real bad to get to the arse from ICI.
It's all like a family company.
Right. And you had to be real to get the arse from it.
Next. ash.
Solicitors no longer exist.
Been shredded, mate. The car.
It's probably all gone, mate. That's
Huh?
So obviously somebody's taken over all their, but it, you know, their names don't really exist in the phone book.
Yeah. You know what? You got a Bollywood movie, have you? damn titles off it.
Yeah.
You just tell them you lost it. Just like your birth certificate.
Yeah.
Have to get one of those. I had it. Where'd it go? Keeping track of documents through your license.
Oh, yeah, I mean, yeah, it's the sort of things that you only, you know, look at once or twice in your life, you know, that's the problem.
Well, when you need it.
Yeah, you can't find the bloody thing. Although, so that's why I pull those two drawers over. I mean, any documents like that, I usually keep those first, because it's not this bugger all in them.
I've got folders. Put names on, titles.
Yeah.
Whatever, you know. Just so hard keeping track of everything. Because as you get older, you get more stuff, more to look at. Yeah. Alright. Those are all the big ones filled here.
Yeah, bloody good. Does that shrink a little bit? Does that shrink a bit?
I think it expands a bit when it has its setting and comes back, I think. So it works. You're getting into the real dynamics of it there.
What about those holes? That doesn't matter, does it?
What is that?
Like these holes in there.
Oh no, I feel like blackboard.
Ah, right.
No worries.
That's just the real heavy, you know, the thick stuff, yeah.
Just the rough in this.
Yeah.
And it's got a high compression strength too.
What does that actually
Without having a sand, if you put it in between the bricks, a bit stronger that way. Some pretty good buildings in Melbourne. The one that rang up had a bit dome ceiling or a vaulted ceiling. That's about it.
Is that one done up there?
I've got to scrape it back.
That one.
No, I've got to scrape it back. Can't use goggles. You
I
like it?
just check it over there. No, because all the others look nice and smooth.
I got that corner too. Thanks for reminding me, because I've forgotten about it. Did you that? You forget them and you go class.
Yeah, one thing somebody told me, whatever you're passing, don't leave it in the light, because you don't want to start standing it, mate. That's what you don't want.
He was right. Nobody told you that. Yep. Hello? tomorrow morning, didn't you?
That's why I bought the bananas. That's, I don't.
Potassium.
Yeah, I'll take a big banana with me and,
What?
just an hour before the sun or something, I'll have a banana and a bit of energy.
There you go.
I might pinch another plant.
There you go for it. Okay. Yeah. You just got to scrape that corner back and that's
You
pretty
want me
well
to
done
photo-
there.
photo
Yeah,
you?
okay, I'll get you the... Yeah, I'll actually just set, I'll just set it there. It'll be okay. Thanks. Pretty good, that little stand. We'll mix up some corners.
Alright. I'm sure you want to be a film star.
Bollywood. Get the Bollywood theme up. Brett Lee did, didn't he?
Apparently, yeah.
Well, just the population in India. If you get famous on Bollywood, yeah.
Don't forget you're on camera.
Oh, yeah. You might get your photo in the paper tomorrow too. You clean up. Oh boy. Just taking up. It sits pretty hard. You don't want to miss it.
No, that's what I say. You don't want to start sanding the bloody stuff.
Who told that?
Oh, I don't know. Somebody. I suppose when I was thinking of doing the bathroom in there. I was talking to someone about it. And they said, whatever you do, don't make sure you do a good bloody finish because you don't want to be sanding it.
You're pretty adamant then.
Yeah. You said you spend more bloody time sanding than you ever do plastering.
You're right there, mate.
I suppose you learnt that the hard way in your early days.
You learned that hard way, did he?
No, I said you probably learnt that early in your early
We
days.
still get caught. You forget something. Yeah,
Oh no, I've forgotten that.
you sometimes just get angry.
Yeah, you start again.
It's
It's easy, I suppose.
Can be, yeah. Alright, next nearly now. Very good, isn't it? No, it's good if you can have a rest when you got it. Why not? I'll stay maybe about an hour and a half or an hour, something like that. Is that okay?
Yeah, fine, mate.
For you? Thanks, mate. You need to wind down a bit tonight, don't you?
Yeah, I'm not doing much at all. That's alright, my dear.
Yeah, you go for it. Where do you
What's that?
Where do you go to have a drink?
Oh, you probably go past the pub on your way home.
Ah.
The Elswick over.
Oh, yeah.
Right up the road there.
Yeah. Fair way away from here.
Oh, that's all right, mate. He calls me on his way home, you see, and picks me up. So I just get the bus home.
That's
The
all right.
bus stop right out front of the house here.
Yeah.
That actually drops. I can get the bus, but it drops me right at the door of the pub as well. So
Yeah.
it's pretty handy.
Too handy, isn't it?
And I can get the bus that way and it drops me right outside the pub at the village bell. It's at Ackland Street.
Is it rough, the old Ackland, or not bad?
Rough?
Yeah.
Oh, no.
You did go for a stage there, didn't you?
Oh, I've had it all the years ago around here. It's all the yuppie type area around here now, mate.
Yeah.
It's not like this.
Yeah.
The Elswick Hotel years ago.
Bit rough?
If you walk in the door, you used to have to duck the billiard cues flying through the air.
Really?
Oh, mate, there was fighting on all the bloody time there. God, that was a rough country after.
Yeah, enough a mate of mine used to drink there, David Gray.
But they're all flying down there, they're all...
Yeah, well, there's a transformation happening, isn't
Yeah,
it?
see, population shift, it's enormous. But like was telling me, about every 10 years, virtually, or so, the population virtually completely changed.
Even Richmond, you know.
Oh, Richmond, man, the yuppie place.
Used to be pretty tough.
Oh, it used to be a real tough. Hey? Oh, yeah.
Collingwood.
Right, Richmond and Collingwood was where you had to have a bloody gun. Yeah.
It's good to see it all change, isn't it?
Right? No, you like the old. I like the old. It's one of the reasons I'm leaving here. It's not the old.
Not the same.
Not the old idea.
Yeah.
It's completely changed.
Yeah.
Between me and 100 yards, 150 yards down the road, I had about 5 mates.
Yeah.
When we all grew up, they're all gone.
Yeah.
All moved on.
Yeah.
So, and all the people I've known, even nothing much, they've all gone.
Yeah, you don't have many people you do.
So the people are in there, no, little one.
Yeah.
Is this the top now, is it?
That's white, yeah.
What's that consist of?
Sorry?
What does that consist of?
That's corner cement I've used.
Just straight corner cement.
Yep.
No sand, no nothing.
No.
And the other one was corner cement and sand.
No, it was stocking plaster and sand.
Okay.
Yeah.
This is the real big fine stuff.
Yeah, it's pretty fine. Quite nice to travel. A little bit of glue in it.
Yeah, look at it. Oh yeah, that looks nice, doesn't it?
Yeah. Nice. You don't leave it on until it goes
You don't.
that way you can't sand it, mate. I saw someone hit a cricket ball left-handed on TV last night. Changed, the ball came down the other side and he went,
Oh yeah, they do that all the time now.
do it?
Yeah. I forget what they're called. Not cross. It's got a name.
Pretty good one.
Switch bat.
Did it? Oh, yeah, I never.
Yeah, they're all doing it now. And these bloody 2020 cricket, whatever those called.
What do you think? Do you think it's rec cricket or what?
Yeah.
Baseball turned into.
Yeah. You know, might as well bloody play baseball.
But India's the biggest market, isn't it? Yeah, for
Well, that's it. I suppose that's the problem.
you got to go
Bollywood.
for the don't they?
Yeah,
Bollywood,
Bollywood.
mate. They take all over the world. But a Bollywood never hurt anyone, did they? They don't do that good out here, the Indians, do they?
Not this year, though, have they?
No. They're good at home.
You know, they make more movies in India than they do in Hollywood.
Oh, yeah.
A lot more. They maybe make a movie about every day or something, don't they?
India's full on. Oh, I've got Indian students at my house.
Have you?
Yeah.
Have you got like a boarding house or something?
Yeah, that's my house, that's in Glen Ira.
Oh, it actually is a boarding house.
Yeah.
When I used to go swimming a bit out at Harold Holt out there.
Did you?
Yeah, well...
Why'd you go all the way out there?
Well, in the winter my pram pool's not open, see, so I go out there.
From here?
Yep.
How do
Don't
you
take it
get
off. Don't take it off at all.
How do you get there from here?
I get the bus out the front door here,
Yeah.
It drops me in High Street.
Yeah.
I get the tram out of High Street and it drops me right out the front door.
Amazing.
I can be there. If I leave here at 9:30, I'll walk in the pool at 10:05.
Almost as quick as driving.
Bloody hell it is. By the way, I haven't got a car. I'm an expert on public transport. I can tell you.
Yeah.
Well, I'm going to South Melbourne Lifesaving Club tomorrow, and that's a real tricky one.
Right.
But I've done it before. I know how to do it. Just once you know, it's easy.
It's not easy to work out all the public transport and all.
No, but I'm good at it. I got
Yeah.
there to a fine art. I have to.
You do.
I've got a car.
Ask you that for a second.
Yeah.
Okay. Right. So, why didn't you get a car?
I used to have one, and I had a Ford V8.
Hey? Oh yeah, you're a V8 boy, eh?
Yeah, I had a V8 Falcon XC. Went like the clappers, and
Would you have a 302?
yes, I think it was. Yeah.
Yeah. I had one of those. So then,
And it was a bloody ripper car. That was the last car I had. I had a few cars.
auto?
Yeah.
Oh.
I had years ago, my first car was a Mini Cooper S.
Ooh.
The old Mini Cooper S, not the
Yeah.
new funny looking thing.
That was pretty
The
fast.
real Mini Cooper S.
That was fast.
Bloody hell, that went like. Gee, that was kick that car.
You wouldn't want to have a stack in it, would you?
Yeah, I did.
A bad one or?
Yeah, I was virtually right at all.
Yeah, how'd you come out of it, okay?
I did, yeah, the car didn't.
No.
Luckily I didn't get hurt.
Sure. It was very, very fast and then it over.
Mate, the acceleration on that was unbelievable.
Yeah. Yeah, we had a neighbour, he's taking Sunday school on the road. They're quick, I tell you. They're fun to drive,
Oh, they were fabulous to drive.
just like
I
a
used to
toy, weren't they, really?
I used to enjoy getting up going to work, because I'd start this thing and it was just a joy to drive.
Mm.
So love it.
Bit of switching with the hands, see?
Yeah, see that?
Yeah.
Does that mean you're bilingual?
No, I just think it's easier doing it this way. I always started off, but just slowly sort of start learning to do it left hand, I think.
I used to play footy, and I a bit years ago, and I taught myself. We used to have a kick down the park every afternoon after school and that.
Yeah.
And I just started practicing kicking left-footed.
Yeah.
In the end, I could kick left-footed as good as I could right. It's just a
gotta get
practice.
used to it.
Just practice. It's all it is. In the end, it was easy as anything.
Easy as pie, mate.
Oh, when you first started, you feel really awkward.
Oh, yeah. Oh.
It's not.
Did you follow everybody, did you? Oh.
No, I don't follow it. Couldn't get it down. You get too much of it. And you throw it every day on the news, on the bloody papers. I get sick of it. I really get sick of it.
Yeah. It's a lot different than it used to be. Isn't it?
Oh, it's too much.
Yeah. It used to be a neighbourhood sort of thing, didn't it, years ago?
It's like racing. They used to have racing on every Saturday.
Yeah.
Now it's on every day of the week.
Yeah. Bollywood, aren't they? No one's coming Bollywood, isn't it? You wait for that to fall out, aren't you?
Yeah.
I'm under it. Keep an eye on it, mate.
Yeah.
Let me know if you see it before me.
Oh, okay. I'll yell out. You reckon that'll hold it for a while, that little bit here.
Yeah, I can mix it.
the corner cement's easy, isn't it? I mean, it's no mixing at all. It's just straight corner cement.
Yep.
That's good. Isn't it?
It's all good fun.
What was the stuff I told you that the bloke left me last time? Something 3,000 or so. I've got it down the ship. It's base coat 3,000.
Oh yeah.
No good?
Yeah, it's all.
What's that? Is that like a corner?
Just like a white coat.
Like that? I mean, it's like the what you're using here.
You have to speed it up a bit though.
It's quick, is it?
Slow.
Oh,
How long ago do you leave it there, mate?
a couple of years.
I might be past by now.
No good? Throw it out?
No, I'll use it for you.
You can use it if you want to.
Oh yeah, I'll probably use it. It's alright.
Take it off the bill, mate.
Yeah.
I think I paid $30 a bag for it. Does that sound right?
Yeah, that'll be right.
Is it corner cement or corner plaster? What's it called?
It's corner cement, it's called.
Okay.
Yeah. Japan. I think yours is borrowed from the brand.
Yes, I think it is. Yeah. I'll drag it out of the shed.
Yeah.
Okay. Where that crack is, that bulge, will that come out?